Alrighty, so just got a no heating call here. Just gonna try to see what we got in this nasty crawl space. System seems to be pretty new, but it was installed by, it was a home warranty install, so it doesn't really matter how new it is at that point. You're gonna have problems. That's how they terminated the Flue pipe. Underneath the crawl space. Here's condensate pump running, so that might be good, right? Feeling pretty hopeful, but don't get too excited. Okay, maybe it just froze up, right? I'll tell you if that's what it is. I'm not doing anything crazy over the top of this thing. Check the temporize and move on. Alright, so as we can see, okay, so I think our line froze. So we got the line here going up and out. It's not moving any water. We're just going to trace this out where it's running to and unthaw it. And I think we'll be good to rock. As we can see, we'll just take a look here. Okay, so what's happened is it's touched down way below 32 degrees. Last night it was about 10 degrees cut down too, so you can see your line there. Let's see if it's frozen up just yet. This point seem to be frozen there, but as we terminate, oh yeah, she's definitely going to be frozen at that point. And I'll show you how to, oh yeah, it's all frozen. I'll show you how to terminate these properly to where they don't freeze up. What you want to do is put a piece of PVC. You want to feed a piece of PVC through the wall here and then have it feeding. Yeah. Feed the piece of PVC all the way. What you want to do is you want to feed the piece of PVC all the way through the wall here and then put the vinyl tubing into that before it terminates outside from underneath the crawl space. So let's see if we can capture this. Damn. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled some of it up in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this. Oh, there she goes. There it goes. Now you hear the furnace firing up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and feed the PVC through here. Feed PVC to that portion and then put the tubing in the PVC from there. You hear it fire up? Oh, dang. Gonna grab some cutters here. Quick length of PVC from up here. Probably only need a couple feet, 2 feet or so, as you can see here. I might grab a 90. Excuse the mess in this thing. It's not been organized in a minute, but it'll be alright. 90 there. Now barb fitting would probably be ideal to affix to it, but we can probably just fit it into the 90. Probably able to take some silicone as well. We don't want a silicone around the penetration. Okay, just grab the old hose out there. See if we can feed this PVC. If we got enough space, probably not. Damn. To tear out some of that caulk. Careful. I'm being so careful not to pop this line set. That's the last thing I need on a Sunday afternoon. It's definitely the last thing I would need. Yeah, they definitely did a lot of silicone. Try to see if I can shove it through. Silicone's just tough, bro. Super tough stuff. And we take for granted how tough this stuff is, bro. There it is. That stuff is beefy. So what I want to do is just try to shove this through. There she goes. Okay. We got to do like such. Get it as low as possible. Voila. We'll get some more silicone. Cover all that back up. Okay. Probably not a good idea to terminate that vent right there, but whatever. Okay, so we can see we've got our termination point here. Okay. Let's see if I can get lower actually. I want to try to get up underneath the line set actually. If possible. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, much better. Okay, now we take our hose here. We want that to actually pitch. You want it to stay pitched up, so I'll strap it up. And now the hose is going to be underneath the crawl space at all times. If it pitches back down, then it'll leak back into the crawl space. That's why I want to keep it pitched up. So I'm going to strap it to one of these joists here. What's up? Excuse me? Yeah, exactly. I don't know why they terminated it there. But essentially, all it was see here, this line here, it froze up. It got 10 degrees outside yesterday, so
it froze on the outside.
Yeah,
and it backed up and it shut it down.
You got it. So there's a condensate pump underneath there. It's designed to pump the water out. This is a 90% furnace, meaning it produces condensation. Just do those exhaust gases essentially condensing in that pipe there. So it's got to pump out water constantly as it's running. So I went ahead and just basically put a piece of PVC through the wall, and that way the hose, because this hose will stay having water sitting in it. So now there's no longer going to be enough water to actually build up, to freeze up in that PVC pipe. And actually the vinyl hose is underneath the crawl space. So it's much warmer under there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is fill this all back in, some silicone, and then strapping it up so the water doesn't leak back into the crawl space. Should be good to go though.
Yeah. People take advantage of waking up with the heat every day.
Yeah, absolutely. How cold did it get in there last night?
54.
Oh no. Yeah, that's rough. Yeah, it got cold last night, man. Yeah, we'll get you back up though. We're good to go now. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's make this quick. So what we're gonna do, like I said, just strap this up with a pitch. That way we don't have to worry about it falling back. And put this 90 on it as well. That way this can be getting a lot tighter. I'm also going to put some silicone on that as well. Should just 90 that in. Okay, so I went ahead and checked my temp rise. Made sure the furnace was running, properly. Went ahead and caulked silicone that all back in. So that's locked and loaded. Now she should start draining properly there. Like I say, the crawl space is definitely going to stay above freezing. So as long as it terminates in the crawl space, we're good to go. That's it for this call. Let's head on to the next one.